Hey, so I wanted to show you guys the CISS system that I ordered off of Amazon because I know a lot of you were in the comment section asking about the CISS system. So I just wanted to do a quick video and show you guys how it looks and just talk about it a little bit. So like I said, I did get this off of Amazon and it does ship fairly quickly. It will say that it's going to take a couple weeks to get to you, but that's not necessarily the case because like I said, I did not wait too long to get mine, so it did ship pretty quickly. So as you guys can see here, these are the tanks that you are going to fill your DTF ink in. And as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It does have 6 tanks for your 6 colors. Now it does come, I'm gonna open this up in a second. I just want to show you what it comes with. It does come with the tools that you need to, you know, fill the ink and do what you need to do and connect this to your printer. And I'm going to take all of this out the bag just so you can see all that's in here. So as you can see, I have not set mine up yet. I will be setting it up soon. I just really wanted to try my inks inside the tanks first, just to see the experience that I get from that before I utilize the tanks. So that's why this is not filled yet. So as you can see, these are the things right here. These are the pieces that will connect to your, where the other tanks are. And when you open up your printer, you'll see what I'm talking about. I may can show you when I get to my printer, but these are the ends that you are going to connect the, where the other tanks are connected to. And I'll kind of show you just so you can get an idea of what I'm talking about. So this is the tanks, like I said. This is what the ink is going to run through. These lines right here is where the ink is going to run through, and you'll see that. It does come with the plugins that you'll need to plug into the little holes right here. As you can see, those little holes, these guys are what you are going to use to plug those in. So this is how it is going to look when you fill your inks up. You are just going to fill the tank up and you're going to put this on here like this, and that'll hold the ink in place so you won't have any spillage. This, not too sure what this is used for yet because I have not set my tank up. So maybe someone else in the comments can tell me what this is for. But I just wanted to show you guys what all comes with the CISS tank, the one that I ordered off of Amazon. So it comes with those. It does come with the adhesive tape to tape against the printer so that way the lines won't fall, and this actually just holds these things up on the printer so they don't interfere with the printing process. And then you have the syringe. As you guys know what this is for, you're going to use this to pull the ink and insert it into the tanks, or when you go to pull the ink, like if you have a clog or something, you can use the syringe. They do give you some gloves. I guess if you don't have none, you can use these on the fly. And they give you a little napkin. So they was keeping us in mind for, I guess, the ones who may be doing this and don't have, you know, everything you need to move forward with this process. But I like that because they were thoughtful. And that's everything that this comes with. Again, this video wasn't going to be too long. I just wanted to show you guys the CISS system. and what I use and what I ordered out. And I'm going to show you the plug of what I was talking about. So I have something printing right now, so I can't show you completely, but if you take this thing off, you have to take this apart so that you can get to the plugins that I was referring to. And once you do that, you'll see where those lines feed through here for that ink to run through. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. Like I said, I'm printing something now. Just wanted to show you guys what the CISS system looks like. So if you do want the exact CISS system that I have, I am going to link it in a comment section below or the description. And you guys can go ahead and order that. Now, it will be in my Amazon store. So just the full disclosure, I do get a percentage of the proceeds when you guys place an order. So you can order through me or you can order through someone else. All right, guys, until next time. See ya.